I sat outside on the patio last night, enjoyed some beautiful weather at about 10:45 after work. Might need a jacket tonight. Did I hear that right?
That's right. Yeah, tonight's going to be definitely a little bit cooler because of the front that passed through yesterday and an upper level low, which is over the region. Colder air aloft means colder temperatures at the surface. And with the upper level low, it's kind of perturbed weather out there with gray skies over Birmingham right now. We've seen some pockets of sunshine, but it's still fairly overcast over top of the Magic City, sitting at 71 right now. That north wind coming in at 10 miles per hour, especially up to the north. We're fairly cool at 65 in Cullman, 62 in Hamilton. When I say cool, it's cool for this time of the day. Normally in the morning, this would be considered warm temperatures, but most of us on the cooler end of things for what's now 5:15 in the evening. 71 in Gadsden, 72 in Asheville, mid-70s down to the south. Here's a look at those clouds which are passing overhead. You can see a little bit more sunshine down over our southern counties, but especially off to the north. That's why temperatures are a little bit cooler up towards Cullman County, Winston County, and Marion counties. Again, here's a look at that upper level low, which you can see pretty well on water vapor satellite imagery. A big swirl centered right over western Tennessee. On the eastern side of that circulation, there's a little bit more moisture in the atmosphere. While we have a little bit out there, it may be responsible for a couple of showers tomorrow, but overnight tonight looking pretty dry. When you wake up tomorrow morning, partly cloudy skies yet again. Here's a look at those showers, which are very tiny, very isolated. Just some sprinkles, if anything, I think. Mid and upper 70s for our highs tomorrow. We get a couple degrees warmer across the region for tomorrow. And then for Thursday, we're all back up into the 80s when those winds turn back to the southwest. Looks like we'll have to keep the rain chances anywhere from 20 to 30% for the next couple days. We'll also have a slow and steady warming trend going into the weekend. We're back up close to 90 by Saturday and Sunday with those upper 80s at the very least. And especially down in South Alabama, that's pretty much summer mode for this weekend with highs all across the region in the low 90s towards Montgomery and Dothan. We'll get close to that 90-degree mark. I don't think we'll see widespread 90s, but definitely pretty warm. We're getting closer and closer to full-on summer mode, and I think we'll get there later, I think, by next week. Here's your 7-day forecast. Looking like Memorial Day is going to be pretty nice all around, hitting that 90-degree mark. The rain chances, again, on the lower end of the spectrum. That's just because of those chances of afternoon showers, which, again, are typical of the summertime.